So I wanted to ask you a couple of questions. What first brought you guys to Texas Allergy MD Safe2Bite?
We initially came here because we saw some hives on Avery when he first ate some peanuts when we first tried it. And so we were scared that he would be allergic to it, and he was, highly.
So what treatment did we provide for you while you guys were here?
We did peanut oral immunotherapy.
Okay. And what did that entail? I know it was several months long, and you came in a couple times a month where we would increase the protein that he was exposed to. And other than that, he took a dose every day at home, correct?
Correct, yes.
And we monitored for symptoms to see if he was tolerating it okay. And now that your treatment has completed, how do you feel that this is going to affect your everyday life and his?
Peanut is pretty much everywhere, so we are able to provide and expose him to peanut in a safe manner. And so we're happy about that, because, you know, his big brother loves peanuts, and sometimes we have to restrict that.
Well, we're really glad that we could help him, and we look forward to him enjoying this in the future.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.